Okay, this is 12530 West Bird Lane in Litchfield Park. The builder is Standard Pacific. It was built in 2003. See, it's on a nice quiet street. 1450 square feet, $80,000. It's a nice entryway up to here. Solid 12-inch tile at the entry. You walk into the great room with 9-foot ceilings, a light there, and into the kitchen dining area. Kitchen dining area has 12-inch tile, as well as nice oak cabinets and an island. It's a split floor plan, so the master bedroom is here in the back of the house. Again with a light. There's one small spot on the carpet, which we could have it cleaned and get that out. The master bath has oak and a very nice light fixture there. Nice hook, upgraded hardware there. Nice shower tub combo, and upgraded hardware in the water closet, and a good sized walk-in closet. Another look at the kitchen. The laundry room is right here off of the garage. The garage has some shelves. And the garage door opener there. Sorry. Get back here to the kitchen. Again, a look at the great room entry. Nice accent wall there. Light tan paint throughout. Bedroom number one with it's a bluish color, gray slate, and it is a nice color. Nicely done, you can see. Just a regular bedroom. Bathroom number two. Just a standard with oak cabinets, 12-inch tile, standard shower combo, linen closet here, and bedroom number three. No ceiling fan in here. We could have one installed. And just plain white paint in here. With the closet. And then in the backyard. Go out to the backyard. There's an actual fire pit with gas run out to it. You can see there's a nice covered patio with electric there on top. Shaded in the afternoon, which is a big plus. And then it has this fire pit and rocked all the way through, so the backyard is done. Look at the very nice fire pit and the back of the house. There's the air conditioner. And another look at the patio. So again, this is 12530 West Bird Lane in Litchfield Park. $1,450 square feet. $80,000. Another look at the neighborhood. There's an elementary school within walking distance, and also just right down the street here there's a large park. I'll show you that as well. Just down the street you can see the community park. It's about 4 houses down. Which is really nice. And the elementary school is right on the other side of the main street there. Look at the neighborhood. Again, let me know your thoughts, but we've got this one under contract at 80. Thanks.